Hi, Ivan. So this is Nithya again. As usual, I hope you're doing well and that you're keeping up with your reading and maybe, just maybe, reading other stories, especially right now. Um, so today I decided that we would have a story about a rainstorm. Do you like rainstorms, Ivan? I like rainstorms when I go to bed because the sound of the rain hitting the roof makes me feel very sleepy, but I don't like it when it thunders or when there's a lot of lightning. So let's start reading. Rainstorm. Today I will go out to play. When I look outside and see the rain, I am very sad. When I hear the thunder, I am very mad. Now that the storm is done, I will play in the mud. It is not that bad. Now I am having fun, and I am very glad. Ivan, do you like playing in the mud? Or is there a lot of mud where you are? I don't know. Um, there's a lot of mud where I live when it rains, so I don't really like it all that much unless I have the right shoes. So, comprehension questions. Number 1. What does the character in this story want to do? So, let's go to the beginning, because I think that's when he said it. So, on page 2, the main character says, "Today I will go out to play." So, the main character wants to go out to play at the beginning. Number 2. Why can't the character go out and play at the beginning of the story? So let's look back. So we know that he wants to go play, but we see later that there's rain and he's very sad. And that there's thunder and he gets mad, so he can't go out and play in the rainstorm. Number 3, why is it muddy outside? Oh, well, I guess I answered that one before, but let's go back anyway. So we see that there's thunder and that there's rain in these 2 pages. And when it rains, there has to be a lot of mud on the ground. So that's why there's mud, because it rained right before. Number 4. Why do you think the character is glad at the end of the story? Well, let's go back. So he says he's going to play in the mud and that it is not that bad. And he's having fun and he's very glad. So I think, and I hope you think so as well, that the character is glad because he's outside and he gets to play in the mud.